What is up, guys? My name is Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can find $30,000 a month products absolutely free, no Jungle Scout needed. Let's get into this. So first off, we're going to use the negative keyword trick on Amazon. I know a lot of you guys know this, but if you don't, the negative keyword trick is you type in the negative and then you type in a whole bunch of random different letters, and when you press enter, it will find everything that is not what you typed in. So it will pretty much find every single item that is on Amazon. So it found 571 million items on Amazon. But you can't search through all those items. So you want to pick something that's in your niche. So the way that you do that is you go to departments. Let's say you're in the baby niche. Baby niche is very profitable. So then you do the same thing, type in a bunch of random letters, you hit search. So that search will go down from 571 million down to 10 million. So now that you're here, you're going to have to do some more things, some more narrowing. Because on the first page here, this has Pampers, this has Huggies, this has Crayola. You're not going to be able to compete with them. Don't even try, you'll just waste your money. So we're going to go by sort by relevance over here, and we're going to change it to average customer review. Now what this does is makes everything from 5-star to 1-star. So the first page is going to have all 5 stars, and then the more you go, it'll go down to 1 star. But this first page, yes, you may find a good product, but it's going to be kind of hard to compete with because they have straight 5-star ratings. So you're going to want to go to like the 50th page. But Amazon doesn't like you to just skip to the 50th page. So the way that you get around that is first you go to page 2. And then up on the top right here, it says page equals 2. You're going to want to change that to page equals 50. And then when you press enter, it skips you to the 50th page. Now we're going to talk about the first extension that there is. And if you look up here, it's the AMZ Seller Browser. And what this is this extension right here that's underneath every single product. So what this shows is this hashtag right here. This shows the seller's rank out of in toys and games. So obviously the lower it is, the better it is, the more sales it gets. It also shows the product's dimensions, the item weight, and stuff like that to see if it's a good enough weight for you to sell. So when you're looking through products, you want to look for something that has a good seller rank. So like anything below 5,000 I consider to be pretty good. It has pretty good sales. So we're just going to look around for something. It could be above, obviously, because it could be other products that are below it and stuff. So here, okay, we're going to go with this. Bandana bibs. This is very competitive. I know it is, so don't try it, but this is just an example. So let's just type in bandana bibs. So now that we have bandana bibs, we learned that it's a top seller. So you can see right here, numbers 621, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 4,000. So it's a good product. So now usually you would go up top and then you go to the Jungle Scout extension to see how much each one of those sell. But you don't have to do that anymore because we have a new extension called Scope. And this is by Seller Labs. This is absolutely free. Anybody can get it. And it literally is Jungle Scout for free. So you can tell it has everything Jungle Scout has: average price, sales, reviews, rank, revenue, and see right there, 34,000, 26,000. You can find products that make a lot of money. But estimated sales, they're just estimate. So this is the last extension that we're going to talk about that I think is one of my favorite. You can find exactly how much each person makes. Not estimate anymore, exactly. So let's say we go to, let's say we find this product right here. It sells good. Oh, I didn't click on it. I'll just click on this one right here. So this one has 1,000 rating. And if you go to show scope, it sells around 31 a day, around 916 a month, average revenue $21,000. So there's money out there, guys. There's money out there to be made. We're going to go down here into this extension right here. Now this is called the Keepa Amazon Price Tracker. This is my favorite extension just because of right here, the buy box. The buy box pretty much shows how much items they had in stock at a certain amount of time. So if we narrowed it down to a week, we could see all these. Look, December 1st, December 2nd. So let's say on December 2nd, we click this, right? We have to click on the purple triangle, and we could see their stock was over 999 stock. So we keep going, still over 999, still over 999, still over 9. Okay, that's a bad example because they have a lot in stock because they're selling a lot. So we're gonna go over to this one. When this loads up, narrow it down to a week. Okay, so December 1st, they had 75 in stock. Okay, and then we can go over here. This was December 1st. Let's go to December 2nd. Now they had 54 in stock. So you can tell it went from 75 to 54. So you can tell they sold 21 in one day. So if you go to the scope, we can look at the estimate review. This only says 12. And yes, the average of the month might be around the same, but a lot of the prices, a lot of the items are going to be jumped up right now because of Christmas sales. And also, if there's like a new trend coming out and they're selling this, the worse, but you can tell that everybody is selling better and better and better because the trend's picking up, you can jump on it when other people don't. Because everybody's going to think, oh, this only sells 362 a month, which is still good, but realistically, this is selling like 20 days. So this is actually selling 600 a month. This is practically doubling what it is, so you make twice as much profit. That is why the Keepa extension is super, super useful. And I think with these three extensions combined, I think Jungle Scout will soon be a thing of the past. I think you could still use it. Don't get me wrong. It's a great product. I personally still do have it, but I've been straying away from it just to use these because with these three combined, you don't have to track products anymore because you used to have to go to the 99 cart trick, which was if you want to find exactly how much a product is selling, you add it to cart, you pick up 999 of that item, and when they don't have 999, they'd be like, oh, this is how many left in stock, and then you write that down. Let's just say it's 500, and then you come back the next day, and let's just say then they have 490. You come back the next day, let's say they have 480, so you can tell they're selling around 10 a day. You usually do that for about a week, but now with this, you can jump right on the product. You figure out exactly how much they sell, so you can get on the product right away, and you don't have to wait a week for your competition to jump in when they actually have this extension. They can jump in a week earlier than you, and a week in Amazon is huge. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.